What's up, guys? It's Ed here from Clicksgeek. I have no idea where to look at on the camera. So I'm actually out doing my daily walk. I live in North Carolina. I'm on the American Tobacco Trail. The trail's awesome. But anyways, I just passed this mother and son and they were riding bikes. And the mother, I should say the son, was about to veer off the trail and crash pretty hard. And the mom screams out, "Joey, you need to look where you want to go, not where you don't want to go." And my God, is there a better analogy for growing your agency? You have to figure out what you want to do in terms of your agency growth. What types of clients do you want to serve? Do you want to be in one particular niche? Do you want to be localized? Do you want to work in e-commerce? Whatever it is. But once you figure out what that is, then you've got to set a trajectory and start looking at that and make that your goal and that be your focus. And if you don't, then you're going to start attracting all the other shit that you don't want. And I just thought that was a beautiful analogy. It just hit me. They went flying by. I was like, my God, that's such a beautiful analogy, not for just agency life, but life in general. So I thought it was awesome. I thought I'd share it. So as you guys are growing your agency and growing your business, think about what you want and where you want to go rather than what you're served and, potentially the direction you don't want to go. So figure out where you want to go and then focus all your efforts on going there. Okay, so if you want to serve one particular niche, stop going in other niches. Focus all your efforts, all your outbound, all your inbound efforts on that particular niche. If it's e-commerce, focus all your efforts on e-commerce. And you'll watch your life will become a lot easier. Your systems will become a lot easier. The leads that you attract will be from that. And yeah, that's it. Just wanted to share that. The lady literally just flew by pretty fast and I loved it. So that's it. It's Ed here from Clicksgeek. If you need anything, hit us up. Bye.